Hello, Paul here from EMD Porsche carrying bar. Today I've got a Porsche GT3 991 Mark II doing an intermediate service, but because this customer here has never been in the workshop this is his first time with us, so we don't know the history of the car. So and pretty much all the GT car, cup cars, GT cars, they goes on the track. It's very important to actually torque up the bolts. See, I marked it yellow, all torqued up here, torqued up here as well, marked in yellow. Something that I do on all the GT cars. Okay, car's up in the air now, so let me just grab my torch. So I removed all the under trays underneath the car here, so you can actually see what's happening. Any oil leak, coolant leaks, or anything like that has to be inspected. But what I've done is all the bolts underneath here on the subframe and stuff like that, it's all marked in yellow. You see it there. All the bolts here has been torqued up to specs. Here, control arms underneath there. The whole subframe here as well. All down here as well. This side here, under there. Top there as well. Whatever I can get the spanner into and a torque wrench into it. Sometimes I can't get the torque wrench. I just use the spanner on the tight spots. But these ones were loose. These ones here in the middle. That one, and that one. Not loose enough, but I didn't click when I put the torque wrench on it. It didn't click. And all down here is all done as well. If you look closely, I marked the actual adjustments here. So I just want to make sure if it does come back, I can see if it did move. So I always mark it. All the bolts been torqued up. Even most important one is the actual drive shaft. I really worry about the drive shaft. If you look here, all done. And the drive shaft on this side here, that's all done. Marked. Engine mount on there, and the engine mount on this side here, and the gearbox mount. That one there. Pretty much went for the whole car. Torqued everything up, make sure it's all tight. Alright, all the oil filters in, torqued up to 20 Newton meters. Sun plug there as well. Oil tank. There's no oil leaks on this car or water or coolant leaks. Pretty much a very clean 991 Mark II. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some oil in the car now and then start it up and do the oil level counter. At the same time, put the scan tool in there, do a full diagnostic scan just in case there's a fault somewhere, because they do have a various system with suspension adjustment and things like that. Especially here as well, they got the adjustment for the actual rear wheel. So when you turn the steering, it's actually the 4-wheel steering, sorry. So pretty much a check over as well, so it doesn't hurt. Pretty much a very nice car, this one. So that's all done now. I'm gonna top up the oil level and then pretty much put all the actual covers back on, double check everything, and pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.